Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD Mastery YouTube video. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about the P0100 trouble code. Now the symptoms of the P0100 code. Now you're going to have a check engine light illumination on your dashboard. Now this is going to indicate a problem with the airflow sensor circuit. So next symptom you're going to have is poor acceleration. So you're going to have poor acceleration due to the inaccurate airflow measurement in your car. Number 3 is going to be rough idling or stalling, reduced fuel efficiency, or black smoke from your exhaust. So these are symptoms to be aware, and this will signal a P0100 code. Now moving on, here is going to be the causes of the P0100 code. So you can have a faulty MAF sensor, which can send you incorrect airflow readings, dirty or clogged sensors, so you may have debris or dirt. This can cause inaccurate airflow measurement. Next, going to be damaged wiring. So any frayed, disconnected, or even corroded wiring can misinterpret data for electrical. Vacuum leaks and PCM issues are also a cause of this. So these are the 5 to be aware about. Now moving on, here's going to be a solution to fix P0100 code. So pretty basic stuff, but replace the faulty MAF sensor. Clean or replace the sensor, see if it's contaminated with any type of dirt or debris. Repair wiring connectors, replace the PCM if necessary, and calibrate the air intake system. Now, calibrating it is just ensuring that there's no vacuum leaks and any vacuum lines that may affect the sensor directly. You could check every now and then, see if everything is in line, especially on the wiring harness. Make sure that the installation of the wire is intact as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video regarding P0100 code. Hopefully you found this video and this general insight very helpful. We try to be as quick as possible just to get you noticing what exactly the cause and symptom solutions of a specific code is. So thank you all for watching another OBD Mastery video, and we'll see you all for the next one.